Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to do product research on disposable aluminum foil container. If you are new to this channel, check out our videos. We are doing product research to sell globally on Amazon from India. Now we are going to analyze the product aluminum foil container. We are sourcing the product from India Mart at best price. If you want to source on locally, you can go for it. If you see this container single piece, we can get it for 3 rupees from India Mart, and we can sell it for a good profit on Amazon US. We need keep as pack of 15, pack of 30, pack of 50. If we check in Amazon.com, it will be around $18.99. We need to subtract some Amazon fees, shipping charges, and some amount for campaign. We need to export the product to Amazon US, and we can sell from US. Amazon is one of the platform we can export your product globally. For that we need GST, IE code, etc. If you need more info on that, commend Amazon Global Selling. We start a playlist for Amazon Global Selling. Now coming to this, if we convert $18.99 into Indian rupees, it will be around 1,580 rupees. If you check the product in Amazon, it is having good sales, around 500 to 600 units sale on monthly. This product is having different sizes. We can create variations also. This product I am giving is sample. You can go for your own product also. If you need any help on Amazon Global Selling, you can DM on Instagram. I give my ID on description. Follow us on Instagram. For your product also, you can do product research like this and analyze the product. Next video is going to do the same product analyze with Helium 10 tool, in which we are going to see how much units getting sold, how much revenue are making with this product. Stay tuned with our channel. We are going to start free playlist how to sell your product with Amazon Global Selling. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos.